this question is, on comparing the ratios of A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Okay, these are the pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, now these pairs, they are not in their general form. So convert these two equations in their general form. Plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, this ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, they decide whether this system of linear equations, they are consistent or inconsistent. Now, this is the first condition. If A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2, in that case, this system has unique solution. Okay, and when the system has unique solution, then the nature of their graphs or lines, they will be intersecting lines. They will intersect each other at one point, and this point will be their solution. Second condition, A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. In this case, the system has infinitely many solutions. That means this system is consistent, and in that case their lines will be coincident. अगर ये फर्स्ट लाइन है तो उसी लाइन के ऊपर और सेकंड लाइन भी आएगी. And third condition is, if A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 but not equal to C1 upon C2, in that case this pair of linear equations, they have no solutions, and their graph will be the lines which are parallel. वो एक दूसरे को intersect नहीं कर रहे. That means they have no any common solution. Okay, in that case the system is inconsistent. Now here first find the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. Now here A1 is, the value of A1 is 4 by 3 because A1 is variable of x of first equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now B1 is variable of y, positive 2, and C1 is constant term, negative 8. Negative के साथ लेना है. Okay, A1, B1, C1, they are related to equation number 1. Now similarly find here A2. A2 is the coefficient of x of second equation. It is 2. Now B2 is positive 3 and C2 is negative 12. Okay, sign के साथ लेना है, negative 12. Then find A1 upon A2. So A1 upon A2 is equal to, A1 is 4 by 3 and A2 is 2. इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? So 4 upon 3 divided by 2, और डिवीजन हम करते हैं into 1 upon 2. So it will become 4 by 6 and its simplest form is 2 by 3. Then B1 upon B2 is equal to, B1 is 2 and B2 is 3. Okay, already in the simplest form. And then C1 upon C2 is equal to, C1 is negative 8 and C2 is negative 12. Negative sign get cancelled and its simplest form is 2 by 3. Now compare these ratios. A1 upon A2 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, दिख रहा है 2 by 3. A1 upon A2 इस C2 में मिक्स हो रहा है. C2 की वैल्यू है negative 12. ओके, हाँ, A1 upon A2 is 2 by 3. B1 upon B2 is again 2 by 3 and B1 upon B2 is 2 by 3 and C1 upon C2 is also 2 by 3. Now this is the condition. A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. In this condition, both these linear equations in two variables, they have infinitely many solutions. That means they are inconsistent and their graph will be coincident. ये आपको नीचे लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay.